Eagles. This is a video to show you how to make Play-Doh letters and numbers. First, you need to open up your Play-Doh container and take the Play-Doh out. Pick it up, squish it a little bit in your fingers to get it soft. Then you need to begin rolling it to make a Play-Doh snake. You can roll it inside of your hand. It's one way to start. Or you can lay it on your table or your desk and roll slowly back and forth, pushing down a little bit as you go to make it longer. Pushing down gently and pushing, and you keep going until you have a nice long Play-Doh snake. And then you think about the letters that we learned this week. And this week we learned the letter M. So you form your Play-Doh into the letter that we made or that we learned. You can squeeze it together to make it pointy. You can leave it rounded, however you like. Here's how you made a Play-Doh M. All done? Start again. Roll it up, nice and slow. Make a new Play-Doh snake. Keep going. Roll, roll. And then you can make a number 1. That's probably the easiest number. There you go. There's a number 1. Then you can make a number 2. You can roll it again, or you could just carefully use your Play-Doh snake and make it again. You could do a number 3, which kind of looks like a sideways M. You can make a number 4, and that one you might have to break it apart. Take it off and then attach it again, and there you have a 4. Make a new snake, think about the letters we learned again, and you can make a letter S. Start at the top, magic C, curve again the other way, and there you have an S. So that is how you make Play-Doh letters and numbers. Have fun!